recommend any good YouTube programs for children to watch Islamic channels? That's a difficult one because my children are all adults now, and it's been quite a long time since I was looking for children's programs online. So I'm really not the best person to ask about that, I think. Because like my children grew up on things like Adam's World, which was like available on video, and we still had videos, VCRs at that time. So, and CDs. YouTube wasn't really a thing when they were really young. Obviously, it has become a thing as they've gotten older. But I'm afraid that I really, off the top of my head, couldn't tell you. But I hope that somebody who's listening could post, something beneficial that you think, good children's programs. I know that my slightly older children I did actually allow them to watch the Omar series. You must have heard of the Omar series on MCB. Is it MBC or MCB? MBC. Oh, MCB is the Muslim Council of Britain. No, not the MCB, the MBC, the channel, right? I think they produced a 30-part series on the life of Umar bin al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, and it's like actors and acted out. But I felt, especially for my children who were a little bit older, secondary school age, and they're learning Arabic, we watched the entire series, and I think that was for multiple benefits. One was the acting isn't amazing, by the way. I would say the acting isn't really all that, but it does the job. It brings the kind of aura of that time alive. I think it helps young people, to be able to picture certain things. But the main thing for me was that they learn Arabic from it, because there's certain phrases repeated a lot. Yeah, their ears just got used to that Arabic, the different Arabic phrases, etc., as they were learning Arabic as a language themselves. For slightly older children, I think the Omar series is not a bad option. But in terms of cartoons and Islamic cartoon type channels, I'm sure somebody who's listening to right now will be able to give some suggestions, or just post it in the comments after this session.